The next concept that we are going to recollect is the pronoun en. I hope you remember this. This was the simplest among the exercises that we learnt. Remplacez le nom avec le pronom personnel en. So now we are going to replace the noun with the pronoun en. So how did we do it? In the first sentence, Professor Laurent connaît 4 universités en France. Professor Laurent knows 4 universities in France. Now, what is our noun here? It is university. So that is our noun. We are going to replace this noun. And where do we place en? We place it before the verb. So, our verb here is connaît. So, we place en, connaît. Now, we are replacing only this noun. So, we have to write the remaining as it is. 4 en France. So, what did we do? We replaced the noun using the pronoun en. The next sentence. Try doing this on your own. I'm sure by now you must have done it because it's very easy. Elle ne veut pas de chocolat chaud. Now, the noun here is the chocolat. This is the noun that needs to be replaced. And where do we place it? Before the verb. Elle ne. Before the verb we have on, veut pas, and yes, now you would have noticed there is a vowel clash. So, ne veut pas, and we are replacing this with en. So you don't have to write this again in the next sentence. You only have to write chaud. So this is how you write. And finally, the last sentence. La fille a bu trop de jus d'orange. Now, the noun here is the jus d'orange, the orange juice. We are going to replace this with en. So, the verb here is a. So, on, a. Now, this, do you recognize this verb? This is the past participle of the verb boire. So, has drank a lot of orange juice. So, to complete this sentence, we write it as trop bu. We just interchange these two. So, since we replaced this with en, you don't have to repeat that. We just have to interchange these two words. La fille on a trop bu. Of en means it. It is similar to it. So, has drank a lot of it. So, this is how we use the pronoun en. We replace the nouns with the pronoun en and we place en just before the verb. A very simple concept that we have already learnt.